In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Sheets to your N8n AI automation workflow. This will help you streamline your processes by leveraging the combined power of Google Sheets and N8n. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, we'll need to head over to the N8n platform. It's a versatile tool that supports a large range of automation processes, perfect for connecting various apps, including Google Sheets, without needing a single line of code. Open your preferred web browser and make your way to the N8n website. If you're not yet signed in, you'll want to do that first. Once you're on the N8n site, look towards the top corner of the page for the Sign In button. Go ahead and click it. If this is your first time using N8n, you'll probably need to create an account. But if you're a returning user, just enter your login credentials to access the dashboard. Now that we're inside the N8n interface, the next step will be to head over to the dashboard. This is where you'll manage your automation projects, keeping everything organized and accessible. Take a look at the navigation menu and find the option labeled Dashboard. Clicking on it should bring you there in no time. With the dashboard in front of you, it's time to create a new workflow, which will serve as the canvas for our automation sequence. Look for the Create Workflow button, prominently displayed on the screen, and click it. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for integrating Google Sheets into your workflow. In the newly created workflow, your next action will be to add a new node. Think of nodes as the building blocks of your automation, each one representing a different action or event. Find the Add button in your workflow editor and click it to bring up a list of available nodes. Scroll through the list until you locate the Google Sheets option. The Google Sheets node is your bridge between the spreadsheet data and N8n's powerful automation capabilities. Once you've found it, click on Google Sheets to add this to your workflow. Connecting Google Sheets to your N8n environment in this manner streamlines data sharing between the two platforms, allowing you to automate tasks that would otherwise be manual. With Google Sheets integrated, you can automatically pull in or push data, saving you time and reducing the chance of manual errors. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Google Sheets to your N8n AI automation workflow. With this new setup, you're harnessing N8n's power to supercharge your data handling capabilities. Thanks for following along today, and I hope this tutorial helps streamline your workflows even further. Don't forget to explore more features within N8n as you continue your automation journey. See you next time.